Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an email account on Hositnger panel. First of all, go to the email section, then click on the setup option above, or you can choose any domain and click manage. Now I'll choose the setup option, select my desired domain, which is josephleel.com, and click confirm. Now I'll click on the free option and then choose my desired option here like info, or maybe I'll use the contact at the rate josephsreel.com and type in my password, and then I'll click the create button. Now the email will be created. Now select the browser option if you want to open it in browser. Simply click on the webmail and then type your password and log in. Now click the complete button so that it can be completed. And now you are back on the email section. Now just click on the email accounts to view all of your created emails. And that's it. Just make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more.